Hey guys, quick video here on the topic of cash versus credit or debit card and why is it stupid to pay with cash in my opinion. What are the benefits of paying with cash? First of all, we can be robbed forcefully or not, or we can lose the money because we're careless. Do we get any incentives? Well, no, unless you negotiate with the business owner that if you pay cash, maybe they will give you a discount. This is usually in the service sector for cutting grass or a handyman who does small fixes here and there on your property. And because if they accept credit card payments, they will get hit with about 3% fee from the credit card companies. Not to mention, some people straight up don't want to claim those funds that they received, which is a crime, but it's their business, not mine. So what are the benefits of paying with a credit card or a debit card? So there's no need to carry small or big amounts of money. If we get robbed in case of a credit card, those funds on your credit line are not even ours, so it belongs to the bank. So if someone spends the money on your card, we can just call the bank, say it wasn't us because the card has been compromised, which have happened twice to me already, and they will close it and send you a new one in about 48 hours. The downfall is if your expensive taste girlfriend finds your credit card and goes on a shopping spree. That's why I only date rich girls from OnlyFans with daddy issues. On a debit card, a similar thing would happen if you lose it or get it stolen, but the difference is that it is your money, not the bank's money. And after you report it stolen or lost, there will be an investigation that can be 2 to 3 months, and in the meantime, you won't be able to use the funds that was stolen, contrary to the credit card where there are no funds lost because they weren't yours to begin with. Do we get any incentives? If you're still watching and like that type of content, a simple way to show me that is to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have done that already, thank you very much. So with spending money with a debit card, there are no incentive. But if we spend money with a credit card, we do get incentives. I have a video made quite some time ago and I will link it up here and down the link description down below. The topics there that I explain is how credit card works and what are the benefits, but in general you get cashback or points. That means if we spend money on things that we'll be spending money on anyways, we get the benefit of 1, 2 or 5% back. For example, when I get a new HVAC for one of my properties, it is 4 to 5 grand. On a $5,000 bill, 2% cashback is $100. I am already spending the money anyways. For example, grocery shopping, you gotta eat, right? If you spend the money anyways, why pay cash? The only downfall for this is if you don't have self-control. If you really don't, then subscribe to Dave Ramsey's channel and listen to him preach to his audience how to get out of debt and accumulate wealth extremely slow, but super safe. I guess some people don't have a lot of self-control, and if that's you, you gotta work on it. Credit card is not free money. That's all you need to know. Treat it like a debit card. After you spend the money, pay it off a couple days after that because it takes some time for the transaction to hit the card. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and have an amazing week.